Choosing the right cooler with wheels can significantly enhance your next adventure. Whether it's a weekend picnic, a beach outing, or a long camping trip, a quality cooler ensures your food and drink stay fresh and are easy to transport. Wheeled coolers come with a variety of features, such as telescoping handles, different latch styles, and side handles. Identify which features are most important to you. The best coolers with wheels consider essential aspects like ice retention, portability, and user-friendly features. For a simple weekend picnic, less retention is needed compared to an off-grid trip. Typically, the best ice retention comes with higher costs and more weight. The main advantage of a wheeled cooler is its ease of movement, but portability also involves handle design, size, and weight. Think about how much lifting you'll need to do, like from your front steps to your car, and choose a cooler that you can handle comfortably in terms of weight and size. In this guide, we have curated the top coolers on wheels with the best features to suit all your needs. Here goes our top recommendations. All product links are provided in the description. Number 5. Coleman Convoy Series. The Coleman Convoy Series is designed for outdoor enthusiasts who value durability, capacity, and convenience. These coolers are built to withstand tough outdoor conditions and keep your food and beverages cold for extended periods. Each cooler in the Convoy series features thick insulation and a sturdy lid, ensuring superior ice retention. They are equipped with heavy-duty wheels and a comfortable telescoping handle, allowing for easy transport over various terrains. Additional features include cup holders and a have-a-seat lid that supports up to 250 pounds, providing extra convenience and functionality. The Convoy series is available in several sizes to suit different needs. The 20-quart cooler that's perfect for day trips, the 30-quart cooler offers a bit more capacity, the 45-quart cooler extended day trips, the 65-quart cooler for larger groups, and the 100-quart cooler, which is the largest in the series, suitable for large gatherings and extended trips. These coolers are versatile and suitable for various outdoor activities, including camping, picnics, beach trips, tailgating, and more. Number 4. RTIC 52 Cutie Ultralight Cooler. The RTIC 52 Cutie Ultralight Cooler is a standout option in terms of weight and capacity. It offers decent ice retention, with 7 pounds of ice melting in 55 hours. The wheel performance and ease of use are both good, making it a practical choice for various outdoor activities. This cooler weighs 21 pounds and has a capacity of 52 quarts, backed by a 3-year warranty. What sets the RTIC Ultralight Cooler apart is its affordability and lightweight design. Despite having the largest capacity among wheeled coolers, it is surprisingly one of the lightest. This is particularly notable because similar coolers are usually quite heavy, necessitating wheels for easy transport. The RTIC's lightweight construction makes it easier to handle, especially when moving around. Another useful feature is the mesh pouch under the lid, providing convenient storage for small items. However, the cooler's ice retention is not as strong as some other models, meaning you may need to use more ice if you require longer cooling times. This could slightly diminish the capacity and weight benefits. Despite this limitation, the RTIC 52 Cutie Ultralight Cooler remains an excellent choice for those seeking a lightweight and affordable cooler with a good balance of capacity and portability. Number 3. RovR RollR 45. The RovR RollR 45 stands out for its exceptional wheel performance and robust design. The RovR RollR 45 features heavy-duty wheels that are reminiscent of those found on fat tire bikes, making them ideal for navigating various terrains, from sandy beaches to muddy fields. It also boasts the longest telescoping handle among the models on the list, improving posture and leverage during transport. In terms of ice retention, the RovR RollR 45 keeps 7 pounds of ice solid for an impressive 69 hours. However, it's important to note that despite its size, it has less internal capacity and is heavier compared to other coolers. This may affect its overall space efficiency, especially when packing for longer camping trips. One notable drawback is its latching mechanism. While highly secure and nearly waterproof, the latch can be quite challenging to use, requiring a firm grip to operate. This may pose difficulties for younger users who may struggle to open and close the cooler independently. Overall, The RovR RollR 45 is an excellent choice for those seeking a cooler with durable wheels and good ice retention. If you prioritize durability and ease of transport over maximum internal capacity, this cooler is a solid choice, despite its higher price point and shorter warranty compared to other models. Number 2. Magellan Outdoors Pro Explore Icebox 45 Cutie. The Magellan Outdoors Pro Explore Icebox 45 Cutie impresses with its strong value and performance. The Magellan Outdoors Pro Explore Icebox 45 Cutie features excellent ice retention, keeping a single bag of ice solid for over 3 days, one of the longest in our review. It also boasts excellent haul handles, which make it comfortable to carry the cooler downstairs or haul it up into an SUV. The latching mechanisms are easy to use and located on both sides of the cooler, allowing for convenient access from any direction. Additionally, it is affordably priced, making it a great value compared to higher-end models. However, the cooler's wheel performance is also poor, and notably difficult to drag across various terrains. The non-telescoping haul handle is shorter than expected, making it awkward to pull over sand and less steady on short series of steps. In conclusion, the Magellan Outdoors Pro Explore Icebox 45 Cutie is an excellent choice for those looking for a budget-friendly cooler with impressive ice retention and user-friendly features. It is ideal for short distances over smooth surfaces, but may struggle on more rugged terrain. Number 1. Yeti Roadie 48. The Yeti Roadie 48 is highly regarded for its exceptional performance and robust features. It stands out with a retractable periscope handle designed for convenience and durability, making it easy to transport even with heavy provisions. The solid, single-piece never-flat wheels are built to resist impacts and punctures, ensuring reliable mobility across various terrains without the risk of deflation. The Roadie 48 features lip grip handles that stay out of the way when not in use, making it effortless to carry. Additionally, barefoot non-slip feet prevent sliding, providing stability whether on a boat or in the back seat of a vehicle. This cooler excels in multiple areas, earning its place as our top overall pick. It's easy to maneuver, thanks to excellent wheel performance and a telescoping handle that integrates smoothly with the latching mechanism. Weighing 28 pounds, it has a capacity to hold up to 76 cans and is backed by a generous 5-year warranty, ensuring peace of mind with its durability and reliability. The Yeti Roadie 48 has proven itself as a reliable addition to any gear collection, consistently demonstrating superior ice retention, ease of use, and maneuverability across various terrains, including sandy sections. While it comes at a premium price compared to other options, its impressive features and performance make it a worthwhile investment for those prioritizing quality and longevity in a cooler. In summary, the Yeti Roadie 48 is an exceptional choice for users seeking a high-performance cooler that delivers on all fronts, from durability and ease of use to outstanding ice retention and capacity. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.